Every year in fall, they visit my backyard. They rest for a bit, chit chat a lot, and off they fly in one huge flock. No map, no GPS, no radar, no compass, no phone, no signal, but no confusion, no chaos. No backpack, no headlight, no drinks, no snacks, no jacket, no blanket, no sunscreen, no hats, no hotel, no Airbnb, no tents, no cabins, no beds, no linens, no soaps, no napkins, no Expedia, no kayak, no Lyft, no Uber, no alarm, no reminder, no event on calendar, no camera, no picture, no selfies for Insta, Facebook. They use their own age-old Twitter and inbuilt Snapchat for special picture book. They don't get lost. They don't get late. They start on exact time and land in exact place. How amazing is their little brain? Their natural instincts guide them. They still follow sun's clock. They live with their own flock. They settle in new place like they never left. They find their shelter and start to nest. And when it's time, they start again. In opposite direction, they head again. Thousands of miles they travel again. Relentlessly, they fly again.